how to connect Wi-Fi in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So I'll show you two ways to connect Wi-Fi on your Windows 11. The easiest way is to go to the right side of your taskbar and you will see various icons. Tap on it and there you'll find the Wi-Fi option. Just tap on the arrow and you'll find all the available Wi-Fi options. Just make sure that your Wi-Fi is toggled on. When it is toggled on, it is green in color, as you can see. Another option, if you can't find it in the taskbar, then go to the search bar on the taskbar itself, and then you'll need to go to your settings and go to network and internet, and here you'll find a Wi-Fi. Tap on the arrow and you can see the available networks by tapping on show available networks, and you can just connect to the Wi-Fi that you find the most easiest. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.